to show y'all the foolproof way to hang something on the wall that has 2 hooks, and to get it right the first time without having to make a million different holes. So what you're gonna need is a roll of tape, preferably blue tape or Scotch tape, and the screws that you're gonna be using, a drill or screwdriver, whichever one, and then of course the picture that you're gonna hang. Okay, so I have taken the blue tape and I put it all the way across the back where the holes are. So the holes that the screws are gonna go into are right underneath this tape. So then you're gonna take one of your screws and you're gonna find those holes and then poke the screw through it so that you can get a little hole where it is, and make sure it's right in the middle of that screw hole. If that makes sense. You'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, so what I did, just to make sure that the back of your screws are the same size as the holes, I just put it into the back of the tape, and then I twirled it around until it went all the way down in there. And see how it just made that little circle right there, and then you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Now you're gonna take your tape off of the back of your picture and put it wherever you want on the wall. Make sure that when you do it, the tape is completely straight. And next, you're going to drill your holes right into the middle of that screw hole. And then the same thing for the other side. Now that your screws are in both of the holes on the tape, you can peel the tape off. And voila. There's not a million holes in the wall, and they're perfectly straight every time.